Here. Hi. Hi.
Hello friends! Today we gonna draw two friends named Milk and Cookie. Let's go! I take a black color to draw a glass. By drawing a second over here, it looks like there is some milk inside the glass. You see? Next, I draw its tiny hands and legs simply by drawing these lines. Two eyes. And let's give a smile. It looks so cute. Now I take a brown color to draw our little cookie. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, my friends. They're holding each other's hands. Now I'm painting Cookie with a light brown color. Let's paint a pink heart between them.
Wow!
Ta-da! Now let's take a picture of them.
Wow!
Thank you for watching. See you soon, friends.